I think, historically, so many engineering disciplines and computer science have been deeply technical and have wanted to wish away the context parts, those social parts of systems. But, I think Matt and I are both big believers that when you're trying to solve a problem, it's typically a problem that a person has. People have problems. They are trying to make things happen in the world for a reason. And so our technical systems need to be built with those end users in mind. So we are leveraging a lot of previous work in socio-technical systems, a lot on behavioral insights. So how do we reduce the inertia for someone to make a decision? How do we reduce friction for people to navigate and gain understanding? What does explainability look like in this context? What parts need to be explained? We've talked a lot about how if I might not know how every single part of my car works, but I trust that it will drive me from here to the grocery store. And so what is enabling that trust? And how do we build systems in a way that are allowing people to have a similar level of trust? If we just built the technology and didn't think about the people side of it, we wouldn't be successful, especially when working in high stakes applications like the work we do in national security. So instead, we have to be drawing on the psychological elements, the behavioral elements, all of those pieces. And going back to the early question on education, that means we also need to be training our engineers to have what I call social technical fluency, to be equally at home on the social side and the context side as they are on the deep technology side.